How to enable read receipts on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can enable read receipts on Android. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. To enable read receipts on your Android, first open up your Messages app. After you do that, tap on the profile icon on the top right. Then go to Messages Settings. After you've done that, you can then find the RSC chats on the top or chat features. Whichever you find, you can tap on it. And after you do that, you will need to toggle on Send Read Receipts. So after you've toggled this on, this feature is dependent on the RSC messaging, so ensure that your device and carrier supports it. So after you've done that, now your read receipts are basically enabled. So yeah, now whenever you send a message, the read receipts, if supported by the receiver's device, will be turned on as well. And yeah, that's basically it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.